guys, in today's episode I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Today I am going to be actually cooking 3 different dishes, and all of these recipes are not only healthy but they are supposed to make you more beautiful as well. Chicken essence is commonly known for helping with fatigue. It's supposed to give you more energy and make you feel less lethargic. It is even said to regulate blood sugar levels, regulate your mood, and even help with lactation. And of course, in Singapore, many parents give it to their kids before exams so that the kids can really concentrate on their studying. So in case you're wondering why I keep talking about chicken essence, it's because today's episode is actually brought to you by Tian Yuan Xiang Chicken Essence. Actually, before I tried Tian Yuan Xiang, I only had chicken essence one other time in my life, and I opened it and I guess I didn't know what I was expecting, but I actually spit it out. It was from quite a famous brand. I really hated the sort of like a fishy taste, very strong medicine taste, kind of a bit like drinking Guinness stout, I guess. If you're like me and you don't like chicken essence but you want the benefits of chicken essence, you can definitely give Tian Yuan Xiang a try. So today I'm actually going to be cooking all 3 dishes with Tian Yuan Xiang chicken essence. But before we even start doing that, I'm going to be doing a blind taste test to see whether I can correctly identify Tian Yuan Xiang chicken essence among 2 other famous chicken essence brands. Wow, it smells pretty fishy. A bit medicinal, but okay, tolerable, I guess. Okay, so this one tastes a lot better than the first one actually. First one is kind of like not horrible, but not like, you know, nice either. It's just very herbal, like medicinal. And then this one actually is a little bit more salty. It has a flavor. Somehow even has a bit of a mushroom flavor. Okay, this one, the smell is actually okay. Doesn't smell that fishy. Actually, no, this one is Tian Yuan Xiang, is it? Wait, I don't know, is it because I'm blindfolded? I think these 2 like taste pretty okay. I feel like this one is Tian Yuan Xiang, not that one. It's more flavorful somehow. I think this one is my favorite. It just tastes like chicken stock, I guess. No bitter aftertaste, no herbal taste that I can taste of. So am I right?
Yep, you're right.
Oh, okay. Okay, I would say that of the 3 that I tried, probably this one tastes the least nice. This and this, okay, as both are like quite similar, but I would say Tian Yuan Xiang tastes a lot more delicious. And the color is kind of different also. Like it's a lighter brown. The other 2 are like dark colored. Okay, so I picked the right one, and brand Y is Tian Yuan Xiang Chicken Essence. This is the packaging. It looks pretty cute, right? You can see that instead of the usual like glass bottles, it actually comes in this very convenient packet form. All of them look different, but actually all the same thing, it's just different pattern. And this is halal also. Oh, okay, this is pretty amazing because one packet only has like 14.9 calories, 51 mg of sodium, which is very low as well. Total fat 0, 0 cholesterol, and 0 carbohydrates and 0 sugars. It's actually really healthy stuff. Wow! It's actually a really good supplement for kids as well because it works just like traditional chicken essence, which is really good. And this one tastes really nice, kind of like chicken soup, so that's great. In the beauty industry, companies are always churning out the best skincare for your skin, but do you really think that only what you apply on your skin matters? Obviously not. What you eat matters a lot as well. Consuming the right kinds of food plays a really huge part in your skin health as well, which is why today I am going to be teaching you guys to make 3 very quick and very simple dishes, and I'll be incorporating Tian Yuan Xiang chicken essence in them. Tian Yuan Xiang chicken essence actually also contains rich small molecule proteins and various essential amino acids, which will help you combat fatigue and boost your energy. So the first dish that I'm making is actually fish porridge, and I've decided to make fish porridge instead of just using traditional white rice, which is, you know what, is in a normal Chinese meal, I guess, because fish actually contains a lot of omega-3, which is something that's very important to keep your hair looking shiny and your skin looking nourished. So these are the key ingredients I'm going to be using. Very simple, just rice, some fish, and also my Tian Yuan Xiang chicken essence. I think I put too much. I'm just gonna close the lid and just let it cook. So you can see the rice is getting cooked now. It's definitely cooked already, but it's just not like porridge consistency yet. Smells really good. Let's get some out. Alright, so for the next dish, we're going to be doing a citrus prawns with spinach, and it's a very simple recipe. Spinach is really good for your skin, and to help proper absorption, you have to have a dash of vitamin C as well. So we have some lemon here. What I have with me here is some prawns. I'm going to be seasoning them first with some pepper. Alright, so I can see that the garlic is starting to brown. Now I'm going to be adding in some lemon. Everything smells really good right now. Okay, so I'm going to add in my spinach right now. And let the spinach absorb in all the goodness. Okay, so I'm going to add my cream sauce right now. Okay, so adding in the cream. Yum yum, I love cream sauce. I personally think a little bit of sugar would make it taste nicer. I think it's almost done. Alright, so I'm done plating it. I'm moving on to the next dish. Okay, so I'm moving on to my third and last dish, which is Chinese steamed eggs. And of course, eggs will give you healthy nails, healthy hair, and glowing skin. So the key ingredients that you will need are simply just eggs and a little bit of Xiaxue chicken essence. I have added water in to boil right now because water takes a while to boil, and I have a special steamer thing here with me where I'm going to be steaming my eggs in this metal plate. Oh, it looks very nice and creamy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put cling wrap over my egg. I'm supposed to check to make sure that it's heat-proof cling wrap. As you can see, I don't know why I have this Hello Kitty cling wrap. It's all in Japanese, so I don't know whether it's actually heat-proof. I hope that it is and it doesn't just all melt inside. Okay, so I think my egg is cooked and it's looking like a little bit sad because it's very bubbly, like it's got a lot of holes in it. Now it looks like the surface of the moon. Okay, so we're done with all three dishes here, and we have our fish porridge, our citrus prawns with spinach, and we have our Chinese steamed egg. Let's try our taste test now. Very nice! Don't see it's so ugly, or it tastes actually really good. Definitely good supplement to the rest of the dishes. I think it's not too salty or too flavorful by itself. The Xiaxue chicken essence really added a different depth and flavor to it. Now it's like a lot more flavorful. Very nice. Tastes like lemon butter sauce, I guess. Although I added quite a lot of chicken essence to this dish actually, I can't really taste any of it. I think if you tell somebody who doesn't like chicken essence to try this dish and tell them that there's actually chicken essence inside, they're not going to be able to get it at all. It's very delicious. I'm going to eat this all later by myself. I don't taste any chicken essence flavor in it at all actually. It tastes just like regular steamed eggs that you get at the Zicha store, except that the garlic that I put is very hard, so I suggest that I'll actually throw out the garlic. So let me just gently scrape this off and pretend it has never been there. Okay, so there you have it guys. I finished all of my dishes and it only took me about an hour to finish all three of them, so they are really easy to do, and they all have Xiaxue chicken essence in them to make them more nutritious and more flavorful. They are actually the first to produce double boiled chicken essence, which is called Di. The way it's done is that it's heated up and all the essence is kind of like drop by drop drip down, and then you have a very concentrated chicken essence at the end of it. There's absolutely no water added to it. The protein molecules are actually a lot smaller, which makes it easier for the body to absorb, which is why double boiled chicken essence is also a little bit more pricey than normal chicken essence. They actually have their own chicken farm and they actually raise the chickens themselves, so they really can ensure their quality. And they have many different flavors, and all of them are actually prescribed by professional Chinese herb physicians and dietitians so that they can tailor to many people's different needs. Although I use Xiaxue chicken essence on my recipes, it's not just supposed to be a seasoning thing. It's actually more common to consume it, just drink it directly on an empty stomach, and that way it works really well as well. Okay, so if you're interested in getting Tian Yu Xiang chicken essence, you can actually go to their physical store at United Square, or you can click on the link below and you can purchase the product directly. If you buy the original chicken essence, you actually get $25 off the next box of chicken essence, and you can choose any flavor that you want. So if you guys want to try Tian Yu Xiang chicken essence, now is the time because the promotion is a really good deal. Thank you for watching, but before you go, remember to like, subscribe and comment below letting me know what is your favorite beauty recipe, so that maybe next time I'll go and try cooking them out again. And of course, hit on that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And it's important because after I upload in the first hour, I'll be staying around to chat with you guys and to reply to all comments. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!